Today, we're talking about the 2025 Chevrolet Huckster, a bold new entry in Chevy's lineup that's turning heads and redefining expectations. Chevy has a knack for innovation, and the Huckster is no exception. It blends ruggedness with style, utility with comfort, and performance with cutting-edge technology. Let's get into what makes this vehicle a game-changer. Starting with the design, the Huckster is a marvel of modern engineering. Chevy has embraced an aggressive yet refined look for this crossover SUV hybrid. The bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines make it stand out on the road. It's not just about aesthetics, though. Every element serves a purpose. The rugged underbody cladding and larger wheel arches hint at its off-road capabilities. The Huckster is available in a range of dynamic color options, ensuring there's a choice for every personality. Under the hood, the Huckster offers multiple powertrain options to suit various needs. For those focused on efficiency, there's a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a mild hybrid system that delivers impressive fuel economy without compromising performance. For thrill seekers, the High-Pre 6 variant provides robust power capable of towing heavy loads while offering smooth acceleration. And let's not forget the electric version. Yes, Chevy has embraced the future with an all-electric Huckster, boasting over 300 miles of range on a single charge. On the road, the Huckster truly shines. Its adaptive suspension system adjusts to varying terrain, providing a comfortable ride on city streets and exceptional control off-road. The Huckster's advanced all-wheel drive system ensures optimal grip, whether you're navigating through rain-soaked highways or tackling rocky trails. Chevy has also prioritized handling with responsive steering and a tight turning radius that make this SUV feel agile and easy to drive, even in tight spaces. Inside, the Huckster is all about versatility and comfort. The spacious cabin offers premium materials, ergonomic seating, and a host of convenience features. Whether you're carpooling with the family, loading up for a camping trip, or commuting solo, the Huckster adapts to your lifestyle. Its configurable seating arrangement includes a fold-flat second and third row, providing ample cargo space when needed. Tech lovers will appreciate the Huckster's advanced infotainment system. It features a large touchscreen display, intuitive controls, and seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Chevy's new AI-powered assistant takes voice commands to a whole new level, handling everything from navigation to climate control with ease. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Huckster comes equipped with Chevy Safety Assist, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. It's like having a co-pilot that always has your back. Chevy has also made sustainability a key focus for the Huckster. The electric variant isn't just about zero emissions, it also incorporates recycled materials in its construction and offers renewable energy integration options for home charging setups. Even the traditional engine models boast lower emissions and improved fuel efficiency compared to previous generations. It's clear that Chevy has committed to creating vehicles that align with a greener future. Another standout feature of the Huckster is its customization options. Chevy understands that no two drivers are the same, and the Huckster reflects that philosophy. From roof racks to off-road packages, upgraded sound systems, and unique interior trim options, you can make this SUV truly your own. In terms of pricing, Chevy has struck a balance between affordability and value. The Huckster's base model offers incredible features at a competitive price point, while higher trims provide luxury and tech upgrades that rival more expensive competitors. So, who is the Huckster for? It's for adventurers who crave off-road capability. It's for families who need space, comfort, and safety. It's for tech enthusiasts who want the latest gadgets at their fingertips. It's for drivers who care about sustainability without sacrificing performance. In a crowded SUV market, the 2025 Chevrolet Huckster manages to stand out by doing it all, and doing it well. It's a testament to Chevy's ability to innovate and evolve while staying true to its roots.